My name is Jen, and I am the mom of Aniston, and she needed some fillings done.
Aniston is a little girl, very lively. She came to our office just for a dental cleaning. We did discover some places of decay, so she needed a couple of fillings, and she never had fillings before.
When Aniston found out she had cavities, she wasn't nervous at all because they were so calm about it. The doctors just told us that we'll be bringing her in for a next visit and just made it simple.
So we worked with her mother with some strategies for anxiety management and how to talk a child through the process of getting fillings, because in the beginning it can be scary, but if we all work together as a team, we can get a great result.
When it came to the procedure, they made it quite simple for her. They showed her everything, the drill, putting the tooth to sleep, that kind of thing, so it made it really at ease for her.
Aniston loves coming into the office. She has really found a dental home here with people that she trusts, who she now considers her friends.
She had fun. She loves coming to the dentist. She was so excited because she got to pick something from the treasure box.